Hello, guys. Hello. Make a share, and the hot. My people, make una no vex say I never come at this, eh? Mona no vex, so no be small thing. I was just enjoying, when I mean enjoying, after party, another party day inside. After party, another party day inside, oh. Also, I'm going break here. Yeah, also, I'm going break here. Let me share this video, give the video love and like. Why I tell you, Beshi left Vanna going? Iye joy, what we heard on Prince. Ide mutia no you bobo where they deny your name. Ide mutia, why is explain, you go tire, no evidence. Who were we so? Na advance it they give me money. Na advance it they give me money. Who were to? Okwonweke match swari oyu. That is Okwonweke 2023 swari oyu. Even say wherever for a phone number go kwoni but to the oyu ne. When I buy a receipt 2025 ire. Of you gbogbo no jemi. La father la son. Una ya receipt 2025 viwana. Ewe ya receipt 2025 March. Even a Nigeria account. For you to even bring out that account, I just know once, say that woman was not only giving you money, she was also giving your family money. Yes, Domugu. Obewe boy Vibi. For you to bring out a Nigeria account, meaning, Okwoni Mari Onu Wokba, she was also giving your family money. Or see enuna yariye. Or say una the Nigeria account. If not, why will you give her a Nigeria account? When you dey France. Why will you won't tell me now, say, na Nigeria account, that woman say they give you money since you are a very use a don't praise it to ama bega gbowe. Uma bega gbowe. O wonu wefi vitali e bonu wefi. Imi amwe pishore ladian. I will show the world. The woman where you took money don't prince will make you run for Italy. The Igbo woman. I will show the world. As you and that woman close rich as una play rich, he quick you dupe that woman money. He quick you that woman introduce her friends to you. Her Igbo friends. Say okay for business they involve you for that business don't prince. Obuwe you irony. When not do home. Money where you supposed to share with 7 people, 7 Oyibo people, una duemu. Your useless bar, a bar, una we trafficking. A bar, nuga vi a gese do leji. Una mwe bar, una hien of everywhere. When not here bar in of Nigeria, where you know, say, you don't do problem for them. Then, my fee so where you follow, do business, where you shop their money. They can't go bomb bar for person where you buy a hand. Tito date it tomorrow. Or we are no day a bar when you suffer here to prince. Or when you came with man you say. Of you bobo. You walk by thanks for joining my lady. Or when you came with man you say. Umie nu jena or ha bo. This is not the first time we have frustrated man. Ni a gulo ni a we sniper him with sniper. This is not the first time. Ora bie wana. If me can seek justice in a bie wana, no be say joke. No be say gokun. Iye joy when oro. Iye again you are a very desperate woman. Okbenuke zozo be Facebook ma meet up. I can see that my pictures is giving you view. Iye joy come and bet my word today. E page weni ti amwe boto. Area wa we enya we anything. Since he noticed whenever you are a desperate a day iye joy. Mi ahamu we me or be page in Facebook na. And a page when in short. Guys, how many people there here? Please, anytime Mama Joy come online, Mona signal me. A page or anything agbe yobo. Me working mele. Anytime na area we. Iye joy. Kabogo, wa nwa, no babie wa, boy. When we need tamawe, uga close unu, no babie wa, boy, we in the social media na ye joy. You have come to this media to destroy, not to even arrange, not to maintain, not to take care of this media at your age. Muria, where they have boom. Where no word of Pamagua. Ema agwa with social media ye joy. Where they do agwan, bell. He got be one what that for where the phone no going again. Oviache na muija. Igon waivae arabia yoriomo. Ele. Have you guys come to bring out your receipt where again order for where ya about that for azobone e order for azobone iye joy your husband was a native doctor I can't order for where or amigo you woto wa ma be anything una we no amigo your way no woni amigo guwa ige du wa zone ru wa wono panu wa gbe wa gun awo je iye jo oji we group APC group ni maga yeye joy o te gbina fi amu me akonji suna weti mama joy do for APC group o ge gbuwa he say I don't Prince frauded someone in Italy and the person when say yes na abie my as na say don't Prince na 419 that is when they say 419 all those people will go give you paper collect notes for your one day Don Prince is a big omila. Don Prince don't enter Europe. Don Prince not be 2 years old for Europe. Don Prince don't they go 20 good years for abroad. Tito there maybe. Una think say Italy will be say if you stay Italy where 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, they must give you documents. Don Prince have been in Europe for almost 20 years. Maybe Don Prince no get paper. Not be today Don Prince enter social. Not be today he enter Europe. Now this. Put her there, as soon as just see and so. They frustrate innocent Edo people. They go. Or see an agbomana mine. My people, for you to know that these people, they did a serious conspiracy about me, which I beat them to it. Yes, if I don't want to talk, I don't want to talk. If I want to talk, no level for anybody. Except those when I was okay, let me respect you. If I don't want to respect you, forget. I go follow you dig around. No matter anything where you be, I go dig around with you. So far I know the life for your head. Una say receipts where they bring come at. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Me talks, okay. The money the woman, not to say the woman not give me money. She they give me money. I tell her, I say, she they give me mostly 50, 100 euro. 50, 100 euro, right? Joseph, thanks for joining. Good afternoon. She been waiting, I tell you now. Okay, when these people, guys, believe me now, I'm telling you guys, all the receipts where Mama Joy they post ever since it was a conspiracy receipt and it's a fake receipt. Yes, I'm telling you people. All the receipts where Mama Joy they post ever since it was a fabricated receipt, not be original receipt. If you think say I dey lie, you can go to any Western Union in your area. That woman so where they send money for also. She also they give me money. She use Western Union. You can go to any Western Union and print statement of accounts. You don't get any statement of account where go carry China name. Where the woman even the America. You don't get any statement of accounts where you go carry China name from Prutun. Account, statement of account from Prutun. Like I don't get it. Where be Prutun again? So that account Mama Joy is displaying, it's all fake. They sit down. They don't see what they want to fight people. They decided to go indoor to fabricate a fabricated what you call a statement of account. Western Union can never give you statement of account without their serial number, without their name. It's not possible. You must see and say, Western Union in via so for New Jersey. Then they will write and put, they will crest and put. They go crest and put. This useless Mama Joy. So Mama Joy, No be today my name dey social media. If you like, use my name. See the bo. I still say they pack some people, they come outside. You are very stupid. Who be all those way they pack come outside? Like I don't even get it. Anyway, you are who I say. Anyway, is who I say. Who be all those ones? A desperado a dede. So Iye Joy is they insult Mama Rita. Yes, now because she's na Julie London she dey cause. Na Julie London way useless way they buy her cow, they buy her things. Now she dey insult. Now they get me so. Now Julie London now she dey insult. This is how they blackmail me for a very long time on this media with Abiaiwa. Do you know that Iye Joy is a blackmailer? Do you guys know? When me that time when me they defend Abiaiwa that time, why they tell the sebe they know the saga Abiaiwa that time. Mama Joy go the saga Abiaiwa. Some of them go the saga Abiaiwa. They go they claim say because of say me they reply their video. Now make them the saga Abiaiwa, which na lie. They always go for that is why I will come and beat Julie Londo ya igbe aro yewa. A boy day because now they sponsor Mama Joy. Now she they sponsor Mama Joy and I was on my own when Mama Joy with the priest. They do this arrangements, do this plan work. I did my own my business. They come and say, na so I you work by, so what's it by justice? He said money where they chop too much, and he said this one. This one. They can't come my name inside. Una not hear what they do, my people. Where be say, even money where they claim say the woman give me, you know, reach half quarter of money where Don Prince chop this lady. Money where they claim say the woman give me, you know, reach 3/4 of money where Don Prince chop this lady. Una see lavish birthday where the woman do for Don Prince. Una see, he do birthday for Don Prince. She do for a pikin. She do for person when me know say yes. Now she sponsor other birthday. Not be today. Don Mugu dey Facebook. How many times una don't see and they do birthday. Don Prince never know the day where they born. Don Prince no know the day where they born. But because of this woman, Don Prince can they do birthday. I was on my own. Thanks for joining my lady. When she called when they call in with Don Prince based on they be the same family. They be the same family. Yeah? When she called when they decided to come out for Abia, me matter when we see justice in you wabo. Why am your boy do a justice here? The justice is buwahu. No one lord ya de wabo. Person one and son and can't do justice for. She not say una message. She not say una message. If una really won't say, okay, let's return the money, everybody bring up. The one where you chop, Iye Joy, Ulala was her native daughter. Fake one at that. For what Ulala, de Ulala, we met him a vision where we are soon. Ulala, better di go the way. We met him, bege where we are soon. Mama Joy no see rodo. Oh, you gbogbo no who I get vance. Evans in Ikman, Begbere. Where to buwe we mama me. You know if you see vision also. Why book holding una con de fa because deep down una already know say now una buy this lady. Person wanna open na koro and she go swear say anybody will go call her name for social media again. She can't swear put. Then una come online call they call this lady name. Thanks for joining Mama Chelsea. Una come online call they call this lady name up and down, up and down. Iye Joy keke Don Prince. If una even watch the video where Don Prince posts, where if for bring account come aside, you'll see and say, as he send the account go give the woman forward saga video can't give her. Automatically, that lady was paying for Don Prince to come and do saga. The lady was paying for Don Prince to come and do saga, to come the saga innocent people. Mama Joy won't talk. He say, I'll play the video where she do today anyway. Let's analyze it because una know say me I did participate and me to be me let go over with me. Because party when I go not be small enjoyment, even as I did so. One bottle of NDC, see the Marcian. Am I egbe? It is sian. Am I egbe? You see? Not be even this one azu. He may see lay adiowa. There's some babes they enjoy. I don't even care whether crazy people they say Facebook they do saga. Now maybe queen, the boss lady, you get why? All this old thing. Are any gear social media? When I want to enjoy, I go dump una for basura. I carry me. Once I enjoy, queen I with the good of why to continue for where I stop. Mama Joy with Ugbogbo Pikin Evans. Now they buy that lady. They're not on ones they want to talk. They call they look for scapegoats. They call they look for scapegoats. Okay, now they said the woman give me money. The woman give me money. Okay, the woman give me money. When Mama Joy no hoa, Igiye Lola, when she dey post frank receipt, she covered them. The answer is no. Why be say she can't post my own? She can't use paper to block the money. Why Mama Joy go block the money? Even if now 60,000 euro, 30,000 euro, 40,000. Why you go block the money? Iye Joy. Nation man disgrace who la jamu we PC group. Why you go cover the money? If you can open frank on, she can't even use even the list where she posts my people. Not be saying now let my name there or the list so you will see her say she go use they use red barrel teru where my name there like Tiri like that. Other people names still there. Then she can't go cover the money. Why you they cover the money? I say you may you cover the money. Me say you may you cover the money. Open her, make everybody see her. But because I useless, Mama Joy is, she come back cover her. Or he cover any. She can't they use her mouth till they talk nonsense. Here Joy, it go shock you when I go bring your husband receipt of money where your husband and you shop the late woman. I tell una say, all this yawa so what they do so. Now the family, they tell me, say, Queen, calm down. Queen, calm down. The person one they work for, now Mama Ego brother. Yes, Mama Ego brother. Now he bring this saga come so that people not go focus on money where the woman live for Mama Ego brother had. Now Mama Ego brother, now he they sponsor una so. With Mama Ego. Now two of them they sponsor una so. Who see those ones no room? You know say leg the pain. So to cover people from facing the reality, you where they do birthday, for my birthday enemy, you go now with birthday and was saying the enemy has some key. Not be say they won't give me the money. I'll be saying it. Nu wa vow ho ava bon, iye Joy we don't punish of you gbogbo. Nu gbogbo zu ave non zu wana. Nu gbogbo sunwu. Mama Joy we married to husband. Same time she married Ulala for Nigeria. Come they marry. Yes, Idaosa. Yes, now for Zaragoza. As soon as see Mama Joy, so Ashawo no so era gbonreni. Even frustration where Idaosa frustrate Mama Joy. Mama Joy never can tell us so. Mama Joy never can tell us how Idaosa take shop all our money. She never can tell us. Mwana gbe oye John Ogungbo yava Julie London. Nuwa evao ho awagun. That one self, she's useless. Because I be no one even they insult her. Because I see no reason why me and you go get saga. You can't go to and say, because of say me and Kurita they play, you can't begin go they insult Kurita. For waiting now. Me where you say me and you get issue, I did my own. Wanna plan me come outside because you guys are jealous of me. The smile where they smile, the happiness when I get, who are above me, when I don't know the way me take day. Bringing out some pictures of some people where I don't know. Okay, I'm a bug boy. A body I'm boy. Not be say joke. Ni aswa ban you are there so women who are like bangolo here in the streets. She covered their mouth because the money no reach anything. Yes, now. You just said to say that money na $40 million. You just said that woman go cover her. My lady chest. You just said she go cover her. See their useless life. I be will give you 20 million. If you give you 2 cents, 50 million. I not even send that time. I not even send. Because now she dash me. That will not be my business. You give me, you not give me day break at the ball. I dey enjoy. Go see my fridge. Na cake if I want go call one of my friends now. We get picking where they go school. Ni ado yek ni ado ye via cake. BB cake almost 3 days my fridge there. Ni ado via cake in all gear no via day school. May they put on for their bag they go school. Me now don't chop to my daughter ya. The so-called abewa. Since when me take leave abewa, when me take increase, no be here. No be here. She do good for me. I thank her put. Now, don't prince he go spoil he papa head. Give the woman say, then I saw this one, I saw that one. Just because make it dead the position. Don't prince betrayed me. He called me, he come and he boss, come beg me for that woman number. He said the AK, the other man where they Jamie, I don't want to call his name. He said that they plan batting for the woman. Said that they do me to say they want to saga the woman. That time, guys, that they saga the woman. He said they want to saga the woman. He said get plan whether they plan against the woman. Me a coach, I said, Jesus, true? He said yes. Now so okay, I give you the woman number. Call the woman. Funa go anybody will get that my ex mom number. Now go see the number one set for Don Prince. Don Prince betray me, collect that number. I gave her a number, finish. He come out. He go call the lady. The lady even call me to confirm me way. She even quarrel with me, self. And she tell me, say, Don Prince is calling me. I was like, mama, ogele otama we give me. Now the woman go say, still tell her. Say, but in the dice, he don't like make her they give people a number. Yeah, she not really like make her they give people a number, but now she see they call those people pass. I was like, I see her saying an emergency. He said, yes, an emergency. He don't already tell her everything. So she herself, she know what she go do. Now don't praise me, no say don't praise. That is why that woman don't give IK money. Till 12 days separate. That's the don't praise IK separate. That woman, they tell don't praise say, if I me myself where see that yes, so I know say in so many ways that woman don't give don't praise money. Say give IK with your wife. Don't praise of bana arigoni because that woman, you know go just one call this one, call this one, call this one. If you give say take 1 million, take 2 million, take 3 million, now that kind of person she be. Now that kind of person she be. Don't praise you no drana your bana arigoni. So me no cast. Ona do siezone ni. He come by cost quarter with take quarter, in with domino quarter, in with a lot of them quarter. Now na tell say scatter full meaty. Ona zare full meaty. May for not share any cover for them. Only one carry the woman put for himself. Even the chairman go for Germany there. The chairman with the woman not they play again. Now because of Don Prince. Who see Don Prince in no locked door? If you see Don Prince, you not lock your door. Sorry. As soon as see a day, so not be today enter Europe. Don Prince don't they more than 20 years. She trouble J on the brook where they do up and down. So na make cannot meet up. Na make cannot meet up. If you play people for one and finish, you know how many stations he named there. You know how many stations he named there. He have a useless low community, dirty people. He join or and people anytime she don't like call me, I'm going to bring down that page. If you can no me, I'm like, yeah, it will read that you see back 10 yeah, you got that video with 7 again. Is a bono so who no so than anywhere. Area west. But from him, you understand? He join or run area west say joy. A page when he had don't know who you. He make sure way yes, a visibility no go. That all those visibility where you use me get so now under 2 days now take drop and down. 17 people don't they watch you, I'll leave you. Is wobo because You are a stupid woman. You not see her, you say, me queen. You not do me anything. Me call the saga. You wait till you are doing when you go the saga, abia you are no bewagun. Na wa bera wa biju awagun. Na wa bulala, ulala no gun boyegbo. Obo we hiwe bere miropa. Ulala we zaga wagun. You are bola era, isho tu lala. Era no bio, you are bola egbe. Tu wa owa. Iye jo wait till abia you are do you when you the saga abia you are when you call the tell me say, you never do me anything. Me call the thing will make you go the saga abia you are will not be presenter. Now make me saga you or go buy boy a train track. Wa Lord ya de that you can hear you mangolo. Una de look mama Donati say she no ma. Iye jo no ma she no ma. She be all those women will be say if their BP high they talk they go for streets. Now all those women will be say if their BP high they talk they go for streets. The people where ulala play money will be say ulala fake native doctor where those people not see any miracle. Me go bring those people come out for this media. Yeah, where justice is justice in ya. Ewa ya no lala amigo. You got bono my benamia ona. All the people where dupe their money in the name of you want work for them. Ya line ya up. Uwa ha savi goni. Iye jwa so wait and see until I bring out ulala receipt. Una ti say that you wanna they do so now they is a baby family. You think the family is happy with you guys? Una think say the family they are happy with una. No day will be not they receive call from that same America. Most of some receipts when I would they bring out is coming direct from inside. The new receipts after me and the woman don't separate. The new receipts. Original one not be or purpose receipt. Not be the one where she even give me. The time when she still there alive. Me I get many of my receipts where be say they not be even what did they call them? Western Union statement of accounts. No. Receipt of she will send you the money with your name, everything, and she always saying that some go be like the cash card paper, some go be like normal white paper. All of them, she they forward that for me there. All of them, they my archive. Memory for her, memory for there. It's just that waiting me no go do the kind man don't me get me no go configure the drag people where she give money say why she give you money why she give you money why she no it's not my business. She like to give now she give them even the give what she they give she not go give you money when you know they do saga for her. That is why the two people where she not give money on this media we are the two people where not ever put mouth for a matter. She can only give you when you they put mouth when they do saga for her. So here Joy when see they create so when they talk rubbish so she have be paying Mama Joy for doing saga for her. Domogu where they do also she have be paying Domogu to do saga for her also. So what are we saying? To priest they do birthday for you. No wadi okmadike no bugbe ma ya ni do die ma birthday weni. Tell all of them a plate of food any you want to sell and make you return be money. Utu wagbon. Utu wagbon. Ogwa so gwa find day you wo hu. Money when you not get, you go the arrange table they cook. You go they cook. You get vast. Or you go. You go they use drink. They use any seat they do the rime just to pepper Frank. Because everything what you call they do was to pepper Frank. And you can't still go they toast that woman. To please or madam okay. Or madam. Because una know say that woman. Me I don't know whether that one or they think straight. You can't go they toast that woman. For that woman to go they date Mama Ego brother. That one is a upside down arrangement. For she to go they date Mama Ego brother. Mama Ego wait, don't saga you online. Bring you come and say France say no go marry you now so you be like buckets now so you be like this one. At the end, she can't go connect you with her brother. Make una come marry. Gwena vegele ya mu. Person wey no ma go do that kind thing. Because me, I know they get. Like I don't get it. Anyway, my messy people, make we listen to Mama Joy. Anytime, please, my people, don't forget. Anytime Mama Joy did live video, contact me. In short, just share that to my inbox. Ya a page already ya kulo boyo. Yes, ya kulo boyo. Now wait till I will do be that. Because egbe amwegbe. Ya kulo boyo pay. I'll let her know say get the way I tell them me I be now she don't know me. People wey know me. I'll let her know say I be powerful tools on this media. Now she don't know. Iye joy. Me a good way. Me, I be powerful tools. When I meet tools, not go point. It's just that I know they go for no come for me. Why come for me? When if na me even offend you, I not go even mind you. If you like you curse me, if you curse me, I curse you. Say I did my own. Why won't you go crazy? Come and say, na so yeah bomena. Yeah, you are always social media now. I'll let you know why. People they say, hey, queen, Ejo. Yeah, as your boy, you are all our kiladi. For 2 days now, I've been 1 day now. You see, I not post. For your mind, you see, I don't rest on your saga. What better, what gun. No gun boy a trade tracking. See, mumu woman. Video where you they do since. How many of you can they? How many of you can they get? Lord yadi wa go. Me akulo baba no na agbon ye gbanu we. Agbon ye gbadun. I don't get one time. A short video. Full video, everything. Ya wa buwa ya be one wa return na go ni ya. U wa we do carven wa ya gbe wa e. Ogbon bai wan re no ton you ohun. I don't know where she go to see people where she dey post. Anybody know you want say audio? O wa mu yan like. He say baby girl, I too love your evidence. Thank you. Now me dey polite them with real evidence. Me they polite them with real evidence. Domogu no ro that one they explain. People they tell us say may go return that woman money. Now one batch they don't see you. They never even see the main batch of money where Domogu chop this lady. Mama Joy chop the woman. Why Domogu black like a night? Now. As soon as she had this, so Mila, a dirty, stupid, bueneti dress, no dress outside down, where when a kia one mue. Go come and call the put to beba for a kia, you will be small, dirty a kia. Go follow me, they talk. Agua bera, don't press. Oh, you bobo, agua bobo one, wasun vegbe, egbe di owa, egbe ni agege gwa le biyan kia. Wa lord yadi wagun. Oh, listen to Iye Lola. Oh, listen to her. This are page, but they cash. Yeah, I back page now. Yo, but don't tell her. He read that there some of your video. Anytime she yo, yeah, what do 7,000 watt to yo. Yeah, back page in your bo. Yeah, Ghanaians obo. The craze. Go ask people where don't be coming for in the past. Go ask. Oh. This thing not loud. Be me on my Bluetooth. Be like say I on my Bluetooth. Wait.
Bluetooth mode.
I get down there, hey. Oko ni that was frustrating. Now so we dey inside this thing that time. We dey inside the what is the call politics. Oko no so money where they give her may go a poly unit. May she go share with her husband. Ah, salo boy, we una dey see all these kind of people sha. Igo ni any ye joy ulala. For their village, their poly unit, may they go share for people. So may they make those ones use and transport after everything, all the stress, and one man, iye joy we ulala yana do go nidi. Iye joy ulala yana do go nidi. E mani gare poly unit or ikaso. They call again say they no see money. Mama joy na kun they ask money again say money where they give her no rich. Now they answer say okay, can't two people where you don't give because everybody they complain say they no see money. Can't two people where you don't give. Then what me joy nana ara. Wait.
Come and contact the whole world. What did I do you? When they come and call the sort mama. They insult your papa.
See you.
Contact the whole world. Waiting concerning you.
Abe, which day Querita do video where they insult this Mama Joy? But I say don't connect. Abi, let me see. Don't correct. It don't connect. See you.
You know, just insult me like that, may go free.
Abe, which day Querita don't insult this Mama Joy? Because I never see the video. Iye Joy, Julie London with her. Julie ve notagata, now you the turtle. Now those one, now you the turtle. You see how you want to drop these women to saga. Iye Joy. You see how you want to draw Julie and Genotagata, you as Frank they called him. You see how you want to draw the into saga. Because Querita not talk to you. Receipt where you post, upside down receipt where you post, fake receipt from Capoin. I've been a one when I saw go generate that receipt from. You post receipt, you cover some. Meanwhile, that receipt, the money where you won't buy so, not be your family money. No be ulala, no hoa, no bogbe, okbiano izua, sevulala, imaemion, or a Nigeria to hoa, or this away boy zua. Iye Joy. Egbulala osi enyagona nuweso yina. Igo ni dao sari we Iye Joy. We si yo sari ni. Idao sari igo ni no we gbene Iye Joy. Iye Joy. Ogun ba gun re no han gbo egbulala no wana. We no bio me va no bia. Nu lala no zuana obone bele bi ropana. You can't go back. You can't go bon too for Idaosa. Iye Joy, una bie vani Idaosa. We not the bear day. Una do mare, ulala. Wama we mare o, e sachi kuhio. Ulala get wife. Ulala get wife, Iye Joy. We not the bear day. Una do kuo bo, yobulala. Una do kuo bo, yobulala. When you know fully well, say, this man get wife. You see your life, say life you were all benefit. Now where somebody life be Iye Joy, all were twist. Now so you take the lie. Which Querita don't ever mention you don't know since when you done the saga Querita for this social media. When we saga e Querita say, a saga we mighty e mo bokpa. We are not done. Everybody where you come meet or meet, you know, say the dog will leave you. Is it me lacking? I video, which one be your class again? No baby tone. They no ga we be bizarre Facebook. We Facebook, baby we ka Iye Joy. Eva luma low me. Fear let you bring out your real face. No be person draw your nyash come aside. Control where your real life for outside before you can't show your face. Cool where we be anyway where you be fake accounts where they do a blank video. You think say we forget? No two women no two wukiana. No here they not your mad wa me above the social media. Benyo wa wagbun. Ndan ogbabe.
My one day. Ima pe no supo we. Ima gwegun. God said the whole world. Waiting concern me, concern you. Una amogun gbe, una amogun gbera, una amogun gbegbewe. E say unu erita. Mama mori mamuwe. I total go ne. You go dey take your trouble. Say na my turn now. Me I don ready for you now, Rita. Come beat your mama oh. You must come beat your mama. You must come beat your mama. Me I don ready. Where the people be asking you do I go carry the whole way the day when I not go work.
Iye Joy, you bog gunwe. Ruruan rekun. Una ruan a one side, a left hand side. We are not the avedario. Owe justice what do explain we no sunu. E na be you water my way. E dey no pasun we dey na sunu. Iye Joy. We dey me, I don't know what they call. Ye gbanu where ye justice in we mula dia. we ye mi ote justice in we ruange kumba una pentu edro no ma veji wina when we ya book edro no where you go do and the day where you no go what do explain you no sunu e na be watama we e dia be you when am mia we before Abraham me we there we no wan be we 3 months when I feel we anybody for this me that confess say they know abi will pass me when me know for almost 3 years we no wan 3 months December to March we not do feel we on say me no 3 good years not be say that 3 good years now say we go quarter we go settle we were together we not feel we on say me over sabio ha gwogera gwogiju awagun be kwirita we de kenona tie bon we nu gbe o de de tie bon we boni ga gbo ohun o ma gbo we hia o ma gbo we we madam we na we me dey busy since before o si e le gbe na mu we o si e le gbe na mu we a business man is over oh baby is over Egiekwa Demi no ro nu adota iye lola Voro wonu nu adota Ugwa we platform you nobody will pick anything from me apart from ogbon agbo we no gungbu wa ulala gege nu gbe o ana when I represent ya ni Facebook na wo pa na we yimo to gbon ma bere go manisa gen o manisa gen ero wo bo o lo we na o lo mi we gbu e na nu gwo wa gbo presenter no yimo to gbon ma e presenter no yimo to gbon ma ovie nu weje na asumu awe na unwa ke kana agwe we o ma gbon ono yimo to gbon ma ogun wo ti ogun se wo we yimo to gbon ma ma be ogun ti e kero keno te gbo a wa de wo ba gbon
go dey sleep nyaga go dey wake up
ai de nyaga
I know which way you take you see with the way this job do say e not concern so they pay me because they start with papa we start with generation you don't see anything about that video
Mudia Joy you say video when me do you say it not concern me and you say me because they insult your papa with your generation Joy waiting make a bear wait a bear you do you where you go the saga the bear you are no be you bring a bear you are come out for this media no be you bring a picture bring a family bring everything come out don't be you talk say she be adulterous woman waiting a bear you are do you can you tell me waiting concern you concern a bear you are was a bear you are a presenter nu go ho ababun dan ogbabe waiting concern you concern a bear you are not only a bear you are a lot of people where you don't saga for this we topic a social media na we jena ye lola nu gbe onu na wa bulala wa me topic u gwe me special topic nu mu ajedo cyberspace gwe me special topic anu gu ogwa mana gbon awe video vi oto ni wa wu ya ro otiku who do analyze my people make we listen my people make we listen mani we analyze the video vi yan ewe yan second weje yan kpuro no su gbuwe uwe gwo ogwa adenyu we wa ya da dan ogbabe
yes, let you come out again because they insult your head. Because I keep quiet, they look at verses. Oh, go can be you every time.
Joy. Ogun izide, o kan gbe you e. Joy. Ogun izide, o kan gbu you lala. Ogun ba gwen do o kan gbu egbu lala. Akugbe kia. Wa we bi e ko senu wo da, wa we boda o senu wi yeke. Wa lord ya di wa gbon. O si enu na grow, you don't have any good thing to say. Boy kan gwaze. Luweke tale nonsense in utalowani enakpa umabe a platform we makpa otore ne platform mi e ba mi agbe imi a igbe na so that u make na ya relax u ya chill funpa because you are a useless woman. How can a stupid somebody at your own age you do have your social media nuke zozo jeme Facebook na wa gbon awe picture we ni wala ye wa ere ni aya mu egbewe ni mi aka wa we ya ka wa gbo ni page eri awese because U desperate be. Ima like mani desperate. You are too desperate for my liking. On va non yadi le la video. Ima like. Ugo wababu. Mana ote manonte media na yawe. It's a very nonsense person. That mama. Yes.
Your word. The thing when I give you make it keep. Bring a house now. No bring a house. Any meri le no we utuni. No ya latiani. Don't man. Where they be ho.
Please guys, want to thumbs up this video. Give this video love and like, my people.
The thing when I give you make it keep. When they give you power, say I must come out. I must come beat my joy. I must come beat my trouble. Bring that on to your word.
Larry, here Joy, let's have view. Is it Mama Joy the only presenter where use small to buy person and someone stick by on her platform? You see, here Joy. If better people say they talk, when they 7 view where we are going, if better people they talk, you where you be 7 view, you go see they talk. Now Julie London with a genotata na then go suffer. Not be joke. Now they are the saga. Now then me go the saga. E Frank your washa wonya your what don't trust in your hemotai. E Frank your tie that one no concern me. I feel you the respect of those women, but because of you, here why I'm a bogbian. For the to even they follow you, they play tinya's war. Or not go with him. Now they was say. Here my beg to wear over. Eruya mother for when I no zoo and a bad head dinner. Order for when a baloki lily. Wana adi pale Judy Lodo, wana ya tota. Wana ya areva eva. Nuwagwe bio ne bio. E Judy Lodo we genotagata. Emnya ya replace Kurita Sagan go be aswena. Inya eva e video ne Frank ya menya e ya do akpe e han blog agbowe ni de gbe gbayan e gbe Frank e ma kwewe tasi made o me the real evidence e atafo if there is not take it for that fian akọ o ma gbowe hin e platform agbon ne gbagba o ma ti e mo ipirita ni sanpa fo when na one ne hu yo hun when wana ti ipirita fisher for ya me picture wa pa e platform we na ya mo episode ko pa ye platform we ye Joy ko ri obo we na fi eke no size mo e size we go do pass yourself mo agere no ya ye strike igbo we tag mo ye de gbe ma we the social media na do ya e pe ye ri go kobo 1 cent we media I do abere nu me mo ave nu me mo ana e bu agbuze do mweri he wela dena ke denoro de dema fufo vonfone we agbe o ndon. Please guys, mon I me love and like and share.
Even the idiots, I not talk to her. You know,
my people, what did this woman talk just now? She said even the queen, the idiot, he not talk to her. I bet my people, this woman talk to me, I bet she not talk to me. My people, this woman talk to me, I bet she not talk to me. Iye Joy, gumeje were. Gumeje were Iye Joy. The medi where you feel say, na me, na be person, we first start to the saga you. Now, I want to tell you how you take start to the, now you first con saga me for this media. I never even hear you one day. Now, my own idea for this media, where you call me, when you call me about your page, when I help you, why be say now why I do good for self now they say they don't say now saga me. You call me say your page like this, your page like this. I help you. I send you app. You even tell me say which app they tell they cut short video. I send for you. I teach you waiting nobody great teach you for this media here Joy. You don't ever see me come and can't talk this thing why they talk so. The answer is no, because if me do something for person, may I be you are no we no one up go street here. E mani me help you media na abiye in my own little way help na help. Help na help. Abieyeze ele. You contacted me. You say your Facebook, this one. If I buy Facebook, we meet up. I say, okay, relax. I go through it. I check 1 or 2 things. You even ask me some information about Facebook. I tell you, say the kind of picture where you feel the post. See what you feel the post. See how you tell the post. I teach you a lot of things. Yeah, Joy. Yeah, my body, the mama way. This thing why they talk. So go bring juju if not lie. You go bring juju if not lie. I teach you a lot of things. So I even send you app. Many apps. I said download them. In the app. I teach you for free. Now, after I don't teach you those things, I don't do that good for you, finish. May I tell you how you just start to the saga me? You start to the saga me when me with IK and Dominion get issue. That time, you be Dominion, their godmother. All those are not even know say you be betrayer. Now you go betray the give Don Prince. Yes, because you with Don Prince will be family related. When me with the IK get issue, where you don't know what happen, you jump inside. Why the IK the saga me because of Frank? Ugwewu, iye joy, every diana sunu. That was the first time you started to insult me. That time, I'd already draw your map for grant, say, e de dana, yagbe, but e babana. Now me be that, if you do me something, I just do like say I don't see you. Iya map you where you to. So that ya igbuwe, ute ya finya wu, uhanso. Me can draw your map, that's okay. This woman go treat her fuck up, but not be this the IK issue. In a zowobo. Before Abiyewa matter come media. When Frank they saga you for that for a platform, you not call me Mama Joy. You say you not do Frank anything. You say Frank they saga you that time. Me and you never get issue. You say Frank they saga you. Frank they beat you. Frank they drag you. I say no worry, I'll call Frank. I'll talk to her. Really, I call Frank. Frank the person will be say, oh need that one just see the Chris. I call Frank say may not beat you again. Frank say go they beat you. Me gabe mi na ma yemi we buwe. Ime unyi me dana no guiana or me le buwe Joy. Frank continue to they beat you. You the saga Frank, you can't the saga me join. Uraita, uwesi maya anyway my Frank because of page. You forget. That's why they be. No nisa miamia, no miamia. When Abiyewa oh, when you can start Abiyewa oh, na that one na te provoke. Even the beating when me beat you, no be even say because of Abiyewa. Abiyewa will fit join small because you don't know her before. She not be presenter. You carry go the saga Hannah, so you the do her. You see do and reach my body. Or see you not polite where you so you not way you not do anything. You can't me where you joy or here boy. As I went dead, I not be your mate. That time so when me they teach you things on Facebook, I was your boss. Till you go come off for Facebook, I still remain your boss. Yes, now. Who were him here? You ma we me rock. Since when me not a saga you when me de my own. When you and Don Prince can go do this plan work to come say, I bet you already go there. When you open your eye, you see Padenya where Don Prince share for a birthday. You see chicken where they plate, you know say Don Prince no they work. And you know say na bear you are money na there. Here Joy, since where you take the bring receipt come out, you don't ever talk say Don Prince chop for the money. The other chairman where they Germany, you don't ever come talk say that man also shop for the money. No. Many people where you cut at, which I know say you cut them out. That was why I say this justice where you come find so who can me otoe many queen ia boba gobo you because it is a upside down arrangement. It's a fake arrangement. It's a jealousy arrangement. Gele, we inwene justice we yeje. Uwe ya sile madogo aladia. Ave pishoni buen kunwezi horowe ya violadia. Ekwini ogbon hagbiye lola. Iye lola ye joy. Akugbeke uwe gi mwe bogbu hunwe wodo. Demi we take we asset we me. Demi we reason we asset we me. Then the Frankie we saga se Frankie mighty mwimo owe owokpa boto e wene dede si asioi wene dede kukuruku we na zangbanze imi na no wa ono ma meet up the webo okono pe agbe ise to ko okono pe agbeye gbe adon gbeye many atai adomut we na fi we are setting dem wan do taye joy ne mama e kaeta Ime we let there be peace. Nuzo ya konwe go. Or mekeni we saga say those are bad space. I decided to say, oh, make I just leave people. I set trap down, say, who can find me? I go they find it. Ni me ya mwe lo ni yo. We beri me we waiting no concern me matter. I just come outside the ba. No. Because all my upgrade. Me we normal upgrading. Then uje 5 years ago. The reason me laki take vier yo yana gboe toyo, yana gboe zanza. O balon we do aviena. Ave emilaki o sie vena you gbe ye joy. Oga mo we kwe amumi. That's the truth. Oga mo we ekwe gbe mi to yan o mumi. Because emilaki o ma o le gboe. E bono keke wona ya gwo fin. Thanks for joining my lady happy. Iye joy. E receipt no woni yari go no wabula la yari eri. Don't be shy. Yari eri. To know that you hama muwe or the magbe kwowe. We na involve him in a conspiracy. We set it posted receipt frank or is me. We not going to blockade the money. For you to block it. A block or a block you a destiny. Even in block it, a destiny everywhere. A block. Every kawa na owa inye gbele mo yuao. Ruda oyo mame. We wa tota ye jona wuma inu wa do ba me ne kwe ye izegbo an. Ye izegbo e. Ulala no ho an. Ne kwe muna. Nation throw down I bad wa me. I even buy fish. Ulala wa ke Nigeria de vedera wa zelebo wa we. Or I even buy fish come. Awa you not see a surprise. I say make I surprise you. You know that we go ge fa. Ge ni akpe ma ku we gwa. E we bo ogele we meda wa yere we bo. Odo azebo. Ulala you are a disgrace. We let so kwa in Nigeria. Do to taki ye joy. Ubega gbo hiama we bonure na ya izegbo la we no vero ya wa gbo we yege ko we ohu a ere nu ni ejo ya gwe idausa o ma ohu a verian. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Ere ni ejo ya gwe idausa o ma zuwa verian no wa ya miula la ejo na iwa hoho a obo we kekun kizabo ejo na iwa zuwa uwe ge kai na mi joy. Uwe ge kai ai na mi joy. A fake life inu la ma ya bere mi ro pa no na atawo boyin hi ona ma ye joy. Ga gbiyan evania ti yan ye devie bob social media. No wo ho ma no do la ye joy. E yu la te ono wewe. A position in amu ejive. Adesoedo owo na yakpolo ogiomba e borede na yakpolo won ababelu birie e ulala ya lu birie wo edo ulala to lu birie wa ni vi edo ni ya je platform ye joy wa irere iye joy is ogiomba conglomerate. Iye joy is ogiomba conglomerate. Akpe ma kunya we gwa abanu lala wa de na ku we gwa. But I made the video. Ona je bossas. Yana la biyo yo. iro ogena ne togoto ave pishona no wagena old pishona hiyo egeni na ya fake mego fie mego fake life oge ona waga imulala no why ya no that is no why ya go back to ye joy ulala giye ba kusana ekwe we ya ulala ni ko boy na do yesinye nwe na do yesinye owo na do yesinye beni ye joy ya yu he mulala ri ai Is a good place take it is not go by Baba Joy. To where the my way saga. Thanks for joining my lady Juliet. To where the my way saga. Saga we go. Iye joy na wa ti wa di ulala re ona wa mweri agwezekeze. Ulala. The city do backbone we gele hi. Ulala na ulala owo asha. Because they to bo oragbon ulala hi. Ulala te tamiye joy we. And so I what or walk on bohi. Ega tori o. Ega ra. Ega boma bame me. Atave no she. When ye jo posted the city many. Mwene na mati ladia. Anyway, me a when me work baby we uni ye joy. Ubege the city of the Don Prince. He post their house. That one at first. Second batch day. The city Don Prince Evano. Second batch day. Evano. Like I promise you guys. Which you can go and confirm that receipt anywhere. A receipt in it is original receipt. Original receipt. No. Unwabega we even go amatini. Ya segbe €50 no ruwe o. $70 be $100. If ye ya ladia. For people to see. I don't even do the total calculation. You want more like where you people should do your findings. And the receipt in it was strictly for Don Prince. Area ya print ego, area ya print a statement of account. Even for your bank. If you want to do statement of account for your bank, like say your bank, tap in the name of person where you won't see their receipts. All the money where you don't sell for them. From January to December, it will come aside. Not be, I mean, Apostle Tietie, I will block any go. Fidelis, Pimpin, I will block any go. Osakbilo, Osakbolo, I will block any go. Why una can't they block the money? Una make people believe, say, hey, the woman, you don't know what money you. Why una can't they cover the receipt? Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Unubati we. Wa be era wa. Tu wa vera ho. You are a disgrace to go and marry a useless woman. Who wanna hear Jonah? Nuwebe ho. Mr. Igaje Webo. Mr. Igaje Webo, who wena here. Etwe we abandon no you wana na keke mo. What do I panty ejo the Webo mado me? You put the fish or the pepper soup. You put the fish or the pepper. What do I busi ni ejo? Ulala, why is not ogwawe? Fake native daughter. What is removed ogwawe ulala? Don't man we be twin no ikewa. Don't want to waste ya na. No bon be no ma no yo bo. Wa do total ye koko. Do give a bonus ye jo. Be ye jo ka me Facebook very han. Do ma mi no tama we me tamu we na we. Iye jo e ka me Facebook very han. Expenses do abone we. O pay go wa. O pay go ba. O pay we have local ministerial set of women and we believe we go to social media. O finya wu o yele kinwi na re degen wa la ya weskele wu o iwa me kinwi na re o wa we live video wa dota o kete mefa o gwan agbe yu lala o gwan agbe yu lala o oyogun gwo gi yu lala fu o wa eva bon wa and people more listen to her.
Yeah, if you see that your dirty man take call the throw to your mama o go gwan agbe yu we better. Even as Bobby Bobby or Mooney, you have off your kulele.
Iye joy. Where we were Mako Kijuwe. ijue to mwe bogbo kewu. Iye joy. Tijue mwe bogbo okewu. Ah, thank God for my life, for my people. Na we don't day free now. Na no say tell say area han ya do I don't day free. You give anything you ya kema baba maybe why iwa boile ye give based on diet. Iwa gia carrot yo iwa gia carrot iwa mwe e kiwi all those things mede sweet corn iwa vie ya iwa mashe kugbe iwa ri ya idegbe adi do gbe joy because ohona imi ama eri so we edomogu noro. The reason why domogu na ofin for where I dey be say oni ebo mi amugbe ebo ehamugbe wo ge no ba me ori vie ni ka promise wani eni me mama ni I don't swear for all those ones. I don't get time to they follow anybody they do che imwe bogbe ni as I talk and so I do, but my mama swear they here they say no, me cannot post them because it's not my thing, which I don't do. But to me me I they say platform e don't praise here because here when no wa we do nania oh wa we boys are o me ke no boys e ban admin we mi oye oni ri agbon do ho. But to me joy ya rule we I say mama joy mama by on that power line. I don't get the video. I don't get the video my person. I best send that for me. Send that. Me make so much ye joy. A video de pa bizu gbe ya gbiyin. A video ne milaki ya gbe. Me gbe ropa. Orinye me gbe na me gbe ni wan. No. But ya make sure we ye joy. Oh mutia. Oh ga de se Facebook we na. Oh ge o. Ya rule social media no guys is so. We wa go. Audion, rush audion. Where is a so. You can finally detail say that name is not my household name. I walk up. You can finally detail say that name is not my household name. That name is a document name. Where is the show? That is why many of you try to go use just to do me something. Oh man winner. Apwe. Joy ubu me adewe. Ubu ni de erine mimi. Itama we my rini. I'll tell you my rini. Even this Italy, if you dey find me for this Italy, see name where you go call me. See name where you go tell tell you okay na me. Ni we ya mula diani. Ni nan change name for a very long time. Ni nagilo, ni negirid. Anyway ya so. Oni that name na street name. Bumi adewe kunya ni di oni ivionwe. Wa mieu. Iye jobi ami mewo to e ka ti we kan tule mu kian. No be mad. Me go sit down my babes na go beat you. Excuse you. Then the man you tell hey, ne presenter. If me ye club ya ye say club afa. Ye day I'll see maths, babes everywhere. This go the soap. Uwe be wagbero me hin. Agbero in Christian face. Mena mi when ye drive to ekan. Uwe we wa begi mu so an le hian. Uma le e boy. Okay me ya ye mi opa va wo hu. Imam dede mi eni we self we baby uhion ma gbe ne o ma dey smart. I push we. I ko push we de kikopa no ye kikopa so awe u ade mu ewe gbe tarot. As be like so wise. As en onia. Eh poke. We wa le ya. We me mi o ma be ru ya jan we me. Me when you pack trouble for plates, they said they go. Ye is a boy, Or the people call they tell me say queen, you don't do this woman matter, no level for this woman matter. The matter kona idea view agbore. Matter kona ma make sense self queen la zobo. Anazwobo is what body mami we iswan page weni. Ya ne hu yo. It will take another 1 year for that page to stand again. Area OSC. Who be this black monkey? And the hand robber, Don Prince, where they fraud beneath people. Now be that. My people, in anything you do, wa amwe bogbe Don Prince. In anything you do, wa amwe bogbe. O balon e boy na eze ivie do egbe. Ivie do ne boy na e betray. For a do cyberspace, una know people where this boy don't betray. I don't need to call the mention. May not be like say those ones speak on the verse say I they call their name for saga. A man a boy and I betrayed. Una where they look una know. If una go check this boy history on this Edo cyberspace, why am you know man a boy and I betray? Why am I bogbe? Aleru no your mama. Suffer not the wicked to live. Ere Bible high. We are not frustrated Italy. Mani adogun be platform imena. All dog be straight Don Prince. He may get Don Prince away. May get that on our mark bona. Don Prince will be when over cat twin. Fat boy will be belly. Wait till you get all fin with him. You be rats now. Aba bebu. Maybe people will just say, I said that the way that they just say, if they say boys way fine, they say you fine, you they crazy. We're no yakbo. They don't see your real life. You'll be over yakbo, you'll be shorty. Shorty will be belly. Once you old now, the devil say na ulala born you. If the devil look you with ulala picture, now they say na ulala born you. But the ulala be ulala make bomb when we veje. Do we oji we nikni. Era Don Prince. Oye mita. Ere Don Prince in apprentice. Oye mate they go shiran go they learn better work. On our way ebony ebona yagbo ma wala miere o wanere Don Prince ibo when wani di gbase when geni gbase any in short outside that fit go that house go sleep we rock pasun dayan o wie mani o wari o we la wani edegbo wawu owawu. Why we me bonny there, my people? Hey, Pikin go pull leg for papa property. The next thing go buy. The next thing he go buy. Make I see. Somebody send me a link. Okay. Yeah, you will send me this link. Thank you. God bless you. Oh, make I off this thing. Hello. Oreo, me cuesta ver. Oh, yeah. Yes. Oreba. No wala. Yeah. Edio, very okay. No wala, my lady Sha. All right, let's go there. So, my amazing people, we just okay. Make I will live stream, Mama Joy. Ni one live stream, what am I doing? We are doing. What am I doing? Ika wa live stream, Ike do view born again. Oh, wabagun. This is Timagwe Viola Dian. Why it's an ugu or shower down? She will not be working you. I manage him at you. Even with me, my friend. Why, by I cannot have more. I might be wine. Or you would never want it be wine. Why, Lord, the idea of I won't never say again. See the seat where bring come at. Oh, let's see. 3 times now give me money. Who were me? Here, Joe, where guys a fabricated receipt in Nigeria. We made me rock. Guys, share my white via last stream. Ah, that baby no town drown or babe. Men I was sick, but I'm way journey home. It de pena. Then he abula la one la is the love of her life. Oh la la, and the worst part the picture near ya viola de me money is a saga noga. Saga can make you confused. What are the key? What are we are mere boy hospital? Nonsensical buhe. I joy. Here joy ta wa be we wa. Thanks for joining, my lady Joy. Thanks for joining. Mon ami thumbs up this video, mon a share. I that if you move bon with be my way joy. Ye joy wa bon wa bon. Then me another live video, I know what I will do you, but I know want make my fans they wait. But what reckon we are the boy our way. I don't already tell you say what I want to do you. Yeah, frustrated with a social media na no jina. Usun e bo wa ye do apin wa be wa. Wa ma pe wo ragbon. Don't be careful of this kind of people. Mona be careful of them. Music where they play now they not play where the woman they alive for. Or he wouldn't ya do akpi we so na see one yinya. Ah, sabo me la o. Yeah, for her mind now she they miss that one. I was saying here. Oh, saying here say wunu. Ni ga do so agbon na wo awagbon. Wa pe won ni won. Wa pe won ni won ye jodi ave do pi ihun. We hia me no we pe ihun we. We akwafi awu ye joy. O mi no pi won awe. Ihun awe o mi no pe. E juli London we no pa ni awari ojawo bo me ya gbin ave na gbe ave na bata. For you to take our saga to take it to Quirita, you are ya guwa gwa wa ya tebo na biewa ya guwa gwa wa ya tebo ne Quirita. This time around that way Judy London e fansuwa me henga mu e fansuwa any day when the Quirita ja I will know and imatiki wa do gu we gwa because we why would she come out be talking with you? They not want no adult. A platform in an army 50,000 view 30 in my team with Quirita bokpa ba we video we 10 hours ago or yere 450 views amagbo we hin wa go wa regbo mo you how usun we de ne we ro wa aye lo de and people mona thumbs up this video love and like and share why they let alone even away oh in short make I will see